What's up, y'all? Good morning. Took a little drive out to go over to FapAuto at their new shop. I placed an order for new tires. The tires on these wheels, they are a Tenza RE71R. So the reason I'm getting new tires is because these are kind of like, they're like street slicks. I don't know what you want to call them, but I'll show you. They're grippy. Don't get me wrong, they're nice. They're grippy around corners and they're nice in that sense. Since the Type R is a daily, you know, I'll be driving in all kinds of conditions, including rain. And I took these out one time during the rain and I was like slipping and sliding. It wasn't that drastic, but I could definitely feel the car like go in from side to side every now and then driving through puddles was a little bit sketchy. I just took my time driving. It wasn't raining that bad, the roads were wet, but I didn't feel safe driving on these tires. So I'm here. I ordered tires from Min at FapAuto. Fairview is their new shop. It's pretty big, it's nice. So the tires I ordered to replace these are the Continental DWS 06. I think they're an all-season tire, and they should definitely be better in the rain. The reason why I went with all seasons and not just summer tires is because I live in New Jersey and we have all the seasons here, and I want to be able to ride these wheels from like early spring to late fall and then just have a set just strictly for the winter. And summer tires, when they go below a certain temperature, depending on the tire you're getting, we'll just say like 40 degrees, summer tires don't perform too well even in dry conditions. So I wanted something all season so I could rock the tires and wheels for a longer time during the year and then swap them out for the winter. I'm not really that educated on different types of tires. My first set of tires, I thought they were real nice. They were Nitto Neogens, that's on my first car, and I really love those. They were nice tires to me. They still make them, but they didn't have them in the size that I wanted. I wanted 265/35 on an 18 wheel, and that wasn't a size available. And then after that, on my next car, it was kind of like stancy stretch tires, replacing tires more frequently than regular tires. So I was running cheap Nankangs, NS25 or something like that. Cheap Nankangs, they were like 60 bucks a tire. With the Type R, I wanted to get a bigger tire to stay planted on the road, not worry too much, with enough sidewall. I'm not stretching the tires. The wheels, the Regamasters, are 9.5. A good tire size for that wheel without any stretch is like 255 or 265. So I wanted to go with 265/35 on an 18. It keeps the diameter of the tire pretty much close to stock on the Type R, and I wanted to keep the specs around stock. And the other option was the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, the PS4s. A lot of people are running them. It seems like a very popular tire, and they're pretty much similar in price. The only reason, and I know this is probably not really a good reason, but the only reason I chose the Continental DWS over the Michelins is because of the tire tread pattern. I mean, hopefully these tires are good. They don't create as much road noise as the ones I have right now. They're really loud, especially when I get to like 30 miles per hour. That's my little story with my tires. When it gets here, we'll go in the shop, I'll show you a little bit, and yeah, we'll hang out. All right, so the car's on the lift. It's never been on the lift before, and the tires are coming off. So there she is up there. 265/35.